Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today I want to share with you how you can install the widget in a Tilda website. This is a Tilda page I just create, and I want to share with you how you can add our widget in your Tilda web page. Honestly, it's very simple. I mean, I need to go around a bit on the interface. It's not like it's super straightforward, but it's more or less it's clear. You go to the website, you go to the site, you go to site settings. Maybe there is another way to get here, but this is how I did it. Insert code, and then you edit code, and you are in the section where you can edit the head the head section. You add the code of your widget. I'm going to use this as an example. This is the code. You copy, we put it here, we click save, and now, important, you need to go back to your site and you need to publish. It's important you publish, because if you don't publish the site, I mean, you save the change, but you don't publish the website, so it's not live. So you need to do it so everything becomes like live on the internet. So now we have our widget on the Tilda website. For HTML here, HTML, yes. Okay, nice. Okay, seems like we have an HTML section. So there is an option that you can add. You don't need to add the widget, you can add the form. So we can go to the form and we can copy this code. And this code is to insert. I think it's here, yes, save. Okay, I think it's done. Publish, let's see if this works. Okay, it's here. Okay, nice. So yes, you can add an HTML section and you can insert the form inside your Tilda website. So I think it's pretty nice. Tilda is a very popular CMS. Tilda is like number 3, number 4 on market share. Yes, Tilda is up here. It's, it's, let's say it's paired with Duda, Drupal. So Drupal, Duda, Tilda is there in the 1%. So it's nice. So, these are, obviously this is WordPress, this is everything else. Okay, so 500,000 websites using Tilda. So it's you have a good marketplace. I mean, if you are creating applications, Tilda obviously makes sense. Drupal is 400,000, so the same. It's a very big marketplace. If you are creating solutions like we do for websites, obviously you need to check every CMS and you need to see if your solution works inside this CMS. Obviously we check our solution, and Tilda is very beautiful. You can add the widget, you can add the form, and then you can connect everything with your account. And your account is going to give you a very beautiful dashboard like this one. It's going to give you a CRM like this one. So we give you a lot of tools to track, to manage leads, if you are using Tilda, Drupal, Joomla, anything like that. Okay, hope you like it. Thank you. Bye bye.